BizQuery AI Data Analyst puts enterprise-grade data intelligence directly on your desktop as a standalone .exe and in your pocket as a mobile app, ready to analyze your data anywhere. Both versions run entirely offline with a local LLM, keeping your sensitive business data private and secure on your own machine. Or connect securely to cloud AI services like Google Gemini when needed. Simply upload your CSV, Excel, or JSON files to ask questions in plain English and get instant SQL-powered insights, interactive charts, and AI-generated business narratives without writing a single line of code. The Settings dialog lets you connect BizQuery to your preferred AI engine, whether that's a cloud service like Google Gemini or a local LLM running directly on your computer. With a local LLM, nothing leaves your machine, giving you complete privacy and offline capability. With a cloud LLM, only schema structures and a few sample data rows are sent to generate your SQL statement, never your full dataset. Simply drag and drop your CSV, Excel, or JSON files into BizQuery to get started. The system instantly parses and previews your data without complex setup. When you're ready, hit Build Central Brain to let the AI intelligently merge multiple files into a single unified dataset, automatically detecting relationships between tables and handling messy real-world data. You get one clean, comprehensive view of all your business data, ready for instant querying and analysis. The Audit Logic Summary feature provides business owners and managers with clear, plain language explanations of what the AI found in their data without any technical jargon or SQL code. When you run a deep analysis, the AI examines your query results and delivers a straightforward narrative that highlights key trends, risks, and opportunities in your business, transforming complex data patterns into actionable insights you can immediately share with stakeholders. The Report tab displays your query results in a clean spreadsheet-style table that anyone can read and understand. Each row represents a record from your data, with columns showing the exact metrics, dates, and categories you asked for, making it easy to scan numbers, spot outliers, and export data for your team. The Visualization tab instantly transforms your data into professional charts and graphs that tell a visual story. Choose from bar charts, trend lines, or pie charts to see your sales by region, trend lines over time, or customer segments at a glance. Then, export the chart as an image to drop directly into presentations or reports. The Analyze Results feature sends the current SQL query and result set to the LLM, which performs deep analysis by identifying trends, anomalies, and actionable business insights from the data. It returns a structured narrative that explains the why behind the numbers, transforming raw query results into strategic recommendations. This audit component intercepts the fetch call to inject the summary directly into the response, providing you with AI-powered data storytelling alongside their tabular results. Start discovering insights today. BizQuery AI Data Analyst transforms how your business understands its data, no IT team or SQL expertise required. Whether you're tracking sales performance, analyzing customer trends, or uncovering operational bottlenecks, just ask your data a question in plain English and get instant answers with professional charts and AI-powered insights. Built for all types of businesses and departments, from small teams to enterprise operations, download the desktop version, install the mobile app, and turn your raw, siloed data into strategic decisions today.